Hello guys, my name is Satyendra Punia, and if you are just following my channel, then you can easily see that every day, each day, I'm providing you a very quality content. And look, my content is really help that you can improve your English speaking skill, and also you can solve your life problem. Okay, because I really don't think so. Look, whenever the problem come in life, our mind and soul don't know that how to, what do we do, take action. Okay, you know, this is the fact that decide that loser mind, winner mind. Okay, I mean, this is the major factor. Loser mindset, winner mindset is all about that how you can solve problem, how you can deal with problem, how you are good in your life. Look guys, if you are a lion, first of all you have to be lion. Okay, you have to be lion. Without lion you can't even survive in a one single room. In a one single room, in a little shop, you can't open. A little shop you can't open because anyone will come and will bother you, will trouble you, will blackmailing you. So first of all you have to be lion. Okay, I mean, there is no other option that you can't say that I really don't have to be lion. Okay, you have to be lion. You have to be lion if you really want to live and if you really want to survive in this world. Okay, so yes, please follow my channel, because you know what, it's really helping you. And look, just listen to my each and every word very carefully. Okay, because my each and every word will give you a light. Okay, my each and every word will give you light. Look guys, I am older than you, so I know better than you. Okay, I know better than you because I had gone through to your life. I have gone through to your life. Okay, and I'm not talking about that without any experience. I have taken all the experience. That's why I'm telling you, because I know people say that Gen Z. Look guys, first of all, I really don't know what is Gen Z, Gen Alpha, Gen Z. It's all a rubbish. For my opinion, for my point of view, is all rubbish. If you are a man, you are, mark your word. You are a man or a woman. You are a girl or a boy. And if you are talking something sense, there will be something creative will happen. And if you are talking nonsense, then of course no one will give you seriously. Okay, if you are honest, you are a liar. So I really don't think so where these meaning that Gen Z, Gen Alpha, either you are talented or you are not talented, either you have a skill or not have any skill, either you are a patience or impatience. I really don't know what is the where this come from, the Gen Z, Gen Alpha, Gen Z. I mean, what is this meaning? I mean, really, what is this meaning? If anyone can correct with me, if anyone can spell with me, just tell me in comment section so I can understand easily. Okay, I mean, this is a very good way. Okay, so yes, look guys, heat wave is increasing and our India, our country is going through many difficulties. So yes, together we can solve all the problem. All we have to just eye. Okay, we only have, if you have only one eye, if you have only two eye, you can light whole world. And I make a eye. I mean, there is a Mahatma Gandhi quotes. I correctly I don't remember, but one thing I am telling you: if you are a person who has eyes, you can give to that eyes whole world. Okay. So first of all, see yourself very correctly. See your inside energy very correctly. This is the fact. Okay, so yes, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and please tell me in comment section so what I can make a more content for you. Thank you very much.